Hello everybody, welcome back, and we have got here another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Reddit something went wrong problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So lately, if you have been encountering you're trying to open your app, it goes like something went wrong, please try again kind of problem, what you can first thing make sure is if your app is updated or not. Simply go to your Play Store right there and then tap on this search bar and type in Reddit and see if it's updated or not. So if you go there, you will be able to find this kind of interface. If your app shows open instead of update, that means your app is updated and you're good to go. After that, make sure your internet connection is also good while you're trying to open your app or get logged in. Then you will go to this settings option, go to apps again, search your Reddit app, and then go ahead, tap on this storage option and your clear cache from your app. This will also help you out with some of the bugs and some of the errors of your app. Once you're done, go ahead, open your Reddit app, and if you're getting a problem while simply trying to log into your account, then what you can make sure is if you're getting a problem while trying to sign up or log in, then you have to make sure that you are using a correct method. If you go to this login option, you are entering your username correct, password correct. If you have any confusion with any of the options, go ahead, tap on the forgot password and enter it again, and that's how you can solve your problem. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the solution for your problem over here. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.